कभी किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, कहीं ज़मीन कहीं आसमान नहीं मिलता। तमाम शहर में ऐसा नहीं खुलूस ना हो, जहां उम्मीद हो उसको वहां कुछ नहीं मिलता। कहाँ चिराग जलाएं कहाँ गुलाब रखें, कहाँ चिराग जलाएं कहाँ गुलाब रखें। छतें तो मिलती हैं लेकिन मकान नहीं मिलता। ये क्या अजाब है सब अपने आप में गुम हैं, ये क्या अजाब है सब अपने आप में गुम है। ज़बां तो मिली है मगर हम ज़बां नहीं मिलता। चिराग जलते हैं बीनाई बुझने लगती है, चिराग जलते हैं बीनाई बुझने लगती है। खुद अपने ही घर में घर का निशान नहीं मिलता। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दिस इज़ बेनज़ीर हकड़ो, द स्टूडेंट ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉम सिंध यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस लारकाना. Today I am telling about you a motivational topic that is a key of success, which is supervised by Mr. Sartaj Ahmed Sanghi. What is the key to success? Perhaps it is best summed up by this quote: everyone is looking for the magic pill to success. The one key ingredient, the one single key to success. There isn't one key. There are many. You have the keys and you have the locks. You just have to do the work. Here is a key to success. Actually, 10 keys to success that will get you well on your way to living the life you want to live. Number 1. Set clear goals. Many studies have proven the link between successful people and goal setting. Simply put, how do you expect to reach your desired destination? If you do not know where that place is, set clearly defined short and long-term goals with dated deadlines and review them daily. So, they soak into your subconscious mind. After you have done that, note down all the action steps you must take. If you are to reach those goals, then get the work. If it works for you, create a vision board of all the things you want and review them daily as well. Remember, if you can see it in your mind and you are willing to work for it, then one day you will have it in your life. Number 2. Strong work ethic. The saying hard work beats talent is true. Almost every time I have never met a successful person that wasn't prepared to give everything for their goal or dream. Lazy and successful are not two words that go together. If you are not willing to work for it, then don't expect to have it for long term. Number 3. Consistency. Just like anything in life, if you don't work on it consistently, chances are you will never have it. And if you do have it, one day you will lose it. If you aren't consistent with your diet or workout routine, you will lose any good health and physique you had. If you aren't consistent in relationships, chances are you will have the problems. The same is true in business and entrepreneurship. If your message isn't consistent, if your work ethic and output isn't consistent, then how do you expect to have the consistent growth and success? Number 4. Discipline. Discipline is a huge one for all the types of successful individuals, from athletes to billionaires. It's a discipline to get up early when you don't feel like it. To say no to a night out with friends because you have something more meaningful to work on. The discipline to say no to a negative temptation and short-term gain in order to achieve long-term results. And pride. Number 5. Willing to sacrifice. The ability to sacrifice now so you can enjoy later. To not take the easy path, but whatever path leads you to where you want to be long term. Are you willing to sacrifice now so you can enjoy later? Are you willing to suffer for a few years so you can spend the rest of your life on your terms? Number 6. Continuous pursuit of knowledge. As Napoleon Hill said in his great book, Think and Grow Rich, the way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. The world is moving and evolving so fast. If you are not adapting to change, if you do not have the mindset that you can never learn enough, sooner or later, whatever you have learned would not be enough. Think about all the jobs, opportunities, industries and businesses that are at the top now but did not exist when you were in school. Billion-dollar brands like Airbnb, Instagram, Uber, Bitcoin and Spotify did not even exist 10 years ago. If the founder of these platforms didn't have the mindset of continuously learning and applying new technologies and opportunities, their inventions would not exist. The more you learn, the more you earn. But you can never learn enough. Number 7. The ability to listen. Just like you can never learn enough and you can never listen enough, but listen to others who have succeeded and failed before you. Listen to the great teachers and leaders. Listen to the friends, family, business colleagues to form better relationship. And also listen to the feedback and criticism to improve yourself, also your business and your results in any area of your life. Mr. Know-it-all never stay at the top because he never has his eyes open to things that may be wrong, things many other people see. Be open to listen, humble enough to admit defeat if defeated, but strong enough to follow your gut instinct every time. Number 8. I will never quit attitude. Read about any successful person at the top of their field and the story is almost always the same. There was at least one moment in their life where they were down and out, where everything seemed impossible. Like there was no way out. Where 99.9% of people would have given in and settled for an average life. But they kept going and somehow turned everything around. Not only did they turn it around, but they applied the lesson and grew from the failures. That is the attitude everyone must have. if they want success in any area, because life will throw you challenges and you will fail. If you are pushing the limits, develop the grit and determination to keep going when it all seems impossible. To say no, I will not quit, when everyone else would expect you to cave in. Number 9. Having a clear purpose in life. Nothing in life will throw you. Of course, if you have purpose, meaning, and clear, powerful direction. If you know your why, then you can survive anyhow. If your why is strong enough, then you will go through any pain or setback to get your goal. And number 10 is not afraid to take a risk. You can't expect to achieve the great things if you are not willing to push yourself to great limits with great risk. It's just a common sense, really. Successful people are willing to take a risk, usually well thought out risks, to achieve what they want in life. But unsuccessful people, on the other hand, always play it safe and therefore can never live more than a safe life, which might be what they want, and that is fine. But if you want a great life, then you will have to accept some form of risk to get great rewards. कलम उठता है तो सोचें बदल जाती हैं। कलम उठता है तो सोचें बदल जाती हैं। एक शख्स की मेहनत से मिल्लतें तश्कील पाती हैं। क्या खूब था वो शख्स जिसने दुनिया को बताया, क्या खूब था वो शख्स जिसने दुनिया को बताया कि किस तरह गौर फिक्र से बेनाम कौम एक नाम पा जाती हैं। In last, I'm just suggest to you, if you want to be successful, then you have to follow these 10 keys of success. It will change your life. I hope this message will be beneficial for you and those people who are watching my video. Thanks a lot. Allah Negeba.